Welcome to 1 Minute Prop Building Tips designed to help save you time, money, and improve your prop building skills. I hope this tip will keep you out of the first aid kit, although I hope you have one of these on hand just in case of an emergency. This tip is designed to help prevent getting those nasty burns when using one of our favorite tools, the hot glue gun. This model happens to be my favorite version from Ryobi. It's battery powered, stands upright on its own, and has been a game changer for me. When working with hot glue, we often unconsciously reach down to smooth out the recently applied glue. To prevent against this painful experience, pick up a package of cheap silicone finger protectors. My pack came from Walmart, cost me less than $4, and has saved me from many burned fingers. One word of caution though, if yours have air holes on them, make sure to put them on with the holes on the top of your finger. If you want to see more content just like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before you go. So until next time, keep on building.